Greetings to all. Today we are going to discuss about conditions necessary for combustion. There are three conditions that are necessary for combustion. First, presence of a combustible substance. Second, presence of a supporter of combustion. Third, attainment of ignition temperature of the combustible substance. All these three conditions are also called triangle of fire. Let us discuss these conditions in detail. First, presence of a combustible substance. The presence of combustible substances like paper, cloth, wood is necessary for combustion to occur. Second, presence of a supporter of combustion. Since combustion is a chemical reaction between a combustible substance and oxygen present in air to produce heat, a combustible substance does not burn in the absence of oxygen. Let us perform an activity to understand this. Light a candle and cover it with a glass jar. What do you observe? Why does the candle stop burning after some time? This is because the candle burns till oxygen is present in the air inside the inverted glass jar, and it extinguishes when no more oxygen is left inside. This shows that presence of oxygen is necessary for combustion to take place. Now, third condition, attainment of ignition temperature. Does a matchstick burn on its own at room temperature? Why does it start burning when its tip is rubbed against the side of the matchbox? Why does a log of wood requires kerosene oil to start burning? The reason is different substances burn at different temperature. Let us perform another activity to know about ignition temperature of different substances. Take some water in a paper cup and put it over the flame for a few minutes. What happens to the paper cup and the water inside it? Does the water inside the cup become hot? Why? Now take another paper cup and put it on the flame without putting water inside it. What do you observe? You will find that in the first case, the water becomes hot and also starts boiling, but the cup does not burn. The heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to the water by conduction. Thus, the paper cup does not reach its ignition temperature and does not burn. While in second case, the paper cup catches fire and burns. By this activity, we can conclude that a combustible substance does not catch fire if its temperature is below its ignition temperature. So now, what do you mean by ignition temperature? The lowest temperature to which a substance must be heated to catch fire and start burning is called its ignition temperature. The substances that have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. LPG, kerosene, alcohol all have low ignition temperatures.